doing here today is we are creating a reference list or a citation list so that we can more seamlessly um, create in-text citations and automatically create a reference list. So to begin, your first step would be to go to references here. You click there and then you click on citations. You ensure that the style is selected, and for us in education we use APA. So you'll see this window pop up here to the right. Down here on the left of the window, you'll see a plus sign. You click the plus sign. You select the type of source. In most cases for us, it's articles in a journal. But you can change it from the drop-down menu, book section, as you can see all the different options there. When I insert the author's name, I click edit, and it gives you the ability to type it in. It will create a list here under names, and then you will click OK. For now, we'll click cancel because we're not adding anything for now. I'll show you what it looks like. So we'll click out of this. We'll cancel here. What I will do is I will show you what it looks like. I'm using my current citation source manager, and I will go here, select the source. Let's try bland. I will copy it, close, and you see automatically it adds it here. Now when you go to that box and you type in your references and you type everything, all of the information for it, you click here and you show all bibliography feeds, and you scroll down. You make sure that you insert everything that you need from your reference. This same thing will pop up here after you click OK. All right, so here we'll just type sample, and for an example, we'll show you how to do an in-text. So you have sample here, the sample type words that you've typed here, whatever you quoted or whatever, that's your sample. And so if you want to in-text cite, you just double click it and it will see what it does there. Now, if you want to edit it, you edit the citation, you type in your page number, you hit return or click OK, and now you have your in-text citation. If you ever want to change it, of course, you can see that you have other options here. You can edit the source. It'll allow you to bring up that source and edit all the information that you entered for it. In addition, you're able to convert it to static text. And when you have changed it, you can update the citation and the bibliography. We'll get to the bibliography shortly, but you can convert it to static text, and that's where I would add in, if I wanted to use this text as to quote something that's quoted in a journal article that has been quoted by someone else, and you don't necessarily want to add them in as a reference. You just want to cite what was cited by the author of the article, and you just as cited in when you edit your text to convert it to static text. So now what we need to do when we're done with our document is to create a reference page. And I'm just doing this on this one page so that you can see what it looks like or what you can do. So this is how I do it. I go in and I edit everything. I make sure that there's a none there, and I make sure it's double here. Click OK. I type references. I enter, and I hit all the way over to the left. And I click on bibliography. This is the next step. You click bibliography, and then you click on the very first one as bibliography and not works cited. And you see how it sets it out there, but that is still not the appropriate format for APA. So what I do is I convert bibliography to static text. I highlight it. I use Command X on my MacBook to cut. I undo, and then I paste. I highlight it all. I click on Format Paragraph, and it has to be in hanging indentation. It's already in double space. So then I click OK. Puts it in hanging format, and there's your reference. If you had a whole list of them over here in this box, it will list them all in alphabetical order. If they have not, if they have not been used, you will see that the minus sign here is available, and it needs to be removed because, of course, that's not a reference that you used. You may have put the information in for it, but you need to take it off because it's not something that you cited in your in text, so it shouldn't be added in your reference list. So there you are. You have now learned how to, or you've seen an example of how to create in-text citation and build and do automatic references using the toolbar on Word. Thank you and have a great day.